For some creators like me, food and photography go hand in hand. Anytime I make a meal or a dessert, I have to document my masterpiece through photo or video. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make those recipe videos you see all over your favorite food blogs. But where to even start? Creative videos like these is more than just hitting the record button. It's about in-camera movements, illusions, and editing. Basically, become a video magician. I have some leftover M&Ms from my stop motion video, so we'll make banana M&M muffins. All you need is a camera. You can use your phone too, a tripod, and your favorite editing software. I'll be using Premiere, but if you choose to use your phone, there are great free apps like InShot as well. When creating food recipe videos, I like to follow 3 rules when shooting: base coverage, close-ups, and illusions. Base coverage is a wide overhead shot showing exactly what you're doing, making the video easy to follow. Close-ups give the viewer food envy, but also gives texture clarity. Illusions like snaps or time lapses allow you to create a fast-paced video while still showing the correct instructions. For our purposes, I won't show you the whole recipe process, but I will show you all the different tricks to use for your video. If you would like to follow this recipe, the ingredients are in the description below. The first thing you need to think about is lighting. Are you using natural light? If not, use a light that will give your counter even lighting. I'm using the Luxley Cello for mine, but you can use any light that you have around the house. Next is camera position. For that professional look, you want to have your camera overhead for your base coverage. If you don't have an overhead rig, it's okay. Use a tripod at its maximum length and tilt down. A good workaround for this is if you have a 2-sided counter, have your camera on the opposite side of you and tilt towards you. While this doesn't have to be a 2-person job, it would help to make it less time consuming. So today, for my hand model, I'll be bringing my roommate here, Brittany. Okay, let's get our ingredients. Recipes can take a while to make, and nobody wants to watch a video showing a recipe at a normal pace. This is where camera tricks and illusions come in. When making ingredients pop in, just point, hold your hand there, place the ingredient there, and cut the in-between in post. Snapping is a popular trick in food videos. Nobody wants to watch you peel a banana, so why not snap it off? Place the banana in the bowl, snap, hold your hand there, peel them, and place them back in the bowl. Close-ups are great to use throughout the video, especially when mixing or details. Now it's time to make it rain, M&Ms. Time lapses will help to keep your video short, but still showing the entire process. When plating your food, don't forget to add a beautiful ending scene. And when editing your video, don't forget to add text to clarify measurements and fun music. You don't have to be an influencer to create awesome videos like these. All you need are some ingredients and an imagination. Tag us in all of your food videos and let us know if you'd like to see more videos like these in the comments below. I'm Maria, and thanks for watching.